When I tell y'all my jaw dropped too when I saw how well this thing picks up, I have to do another one because it's so satisfying. All right, so we've got some oatmeal. This was just going bad in my pantry. I don't eat rolled oats. So we're just gonna do a big old line, okay? So I'm gonna turn it on full speed and watch how it doesn't spray. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I want you to just see, before I go over it again, nothing. Absolutely nothing. There's a couple at the back that I missed, but that took one sweep. One. That's literally it, okay? I had to do another one because it is so freaking satisfying. If you guys don't have this, you need it. Run to the TikTok shop. Click my link below. It's on sale right now for $69.99. Go get you one.